For this technique, the attacker swing a right hand hook punch, will block on the inside, and will apply a takedown by sweeping his leg. When the attack comes, I'll step my right foot up and do an in-to-out block with my left side. Hook. As I do so, my right hand comes up for an out-in hammer fist. Almost one movement at the same time. I'm blocking and hitting the tempo at the same time. So again, one. Once I'm here, catch, catch. From there, your shoulder is tight. Put your right leg behind. Sweep through and take down. So as a full technique, it'll look like this. Hop! 1, 2, 3, and strike. Now, with this technique, you may encounter an opposite step, meaning your attacker throw that hand, but doesn't come forward on his legs. So let's look at it again. Hop! So I'm here. I have the same start. Block, strike, catch, catch. But now, this leg is here. I'll come through, fall back on his back, and strike down. Let's look at it from this angle to see the left hand position on this technique. So I'm here. Hup! 1, 2, 3. Once you're here, your shoulder is tight. So depending on which leg he has in front, whether it's the left leg in this case, I can sweep this way, or if his right foot was in front, I will sweep the right foot. But in this case, I'll go this way, lean back, fall on top,